everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Michael Shu, and if it's your first time here, welcome. Today we are doing another leather jacket unboxing from a brand I've recently stumbled upon called Iron and Resin. If you haven't heard of them, I highly recommend you checking out their Instagram or their website. They have a lot of cool badass gear such as leather jackets, wax jackets, boots, anything cool, they make it. And they're also based in California, which means I have to automatically love them because I'm from San Diego. And whenever I recommend a brand to you guys, they've got to have good customer service because that means a lot to me, and they do. Before we dive into this unboxing, if you guys aren't subscribed, I really appreciate it if you guys went down and smash the subscribe button, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up. My goal this year is to reach 10,000 subscribers, so if you guys can go down and smash the subscribe button for me, it would mean a lot to me and I would really appreciate it. Let's dive right into this unboxing. Let's first check out the box. Alright, nothing too special about the box. It's just a brown cardboard box, and on the top left here it has their logo, which is a piston on the top and an anchor on the bottom. Piston for motorbikes, which is awesome. Anchor for the ocean. Who doesn't love the ocean? So that's pretty much the box. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Got my trusty unboxing scissors. Be careful with scissors, they can be very sharp. Ah, there we go. Ooh. Oh, got it. I'll give you guys the first look. As always, you guys ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. What's inside? What do you guys see? Woo! Look at this. Alright, first off, we have the receipt. Alright, and it comes with this. What is this? It's like a ooh. Comes with a sticker. Look at that. Ride motorcycles. Look how cool is this. I love stickers. An extra postcard, and it says customer name. Wow, it's handwritten here. It says customer name Michael. Thank you for shopping with us. We appreciate your business. Please let us know if there's anything else we can do for you. Carefully packed and shipped by Sarah. It's handwritten, so you can tell from this how much attention to detail they put into it with the packaging, and someone hand signs off and who it's delivered to. How much attention to detail really means a lot to me, and like I said, their customer service is beyond amazing. Let's go ahead and take the jacket out. You guys ready? So this is the Irvin Jacket. The Irvin Jacket by Iron and Resin. It's a B-3 style leather jacket, and it's made out of lambskin and lamb shearling. And I gotta say, on first touch, the outer leather is very soft, and there's so much detail to it. A lot of grain. You could just see it has a lot of characteristics, and it has big talon zippers right here, you can tell. And I love this leather pull tab. I always love zippers that have pull tabs. Talon zippers are one of the leading zippers in the industry with YKK up there. Talon are also really good zippers. These look really nice, big, and beefy, that they're not gonna break on you, because leather jackets can last a really long time. You just hate to have a zipper that breaks. But this doesn't seem like it's breaking anytime soon. Oh my gosh. It is nice and hefty. Signs of a good leather jacket, and to tell whether a leather jacket is good or not, especially on a B-3 style, is to check out the hardware, alright? So you gotta see the buckles, right? The strap. It's also made with real leather. That's a good sign. The buckles here is nice brass antique hardware. Yeah, I love this jacket. Gosh. It is so soft. And like I said from earlier, their customer service is amazing. I hate it when I have a question and I message, those big companies, I send them an email or a DM, but they just never respond to you. However, Iron and Resin is not like that at all. I had a lot of questions about sizing, and Tom was the one that I was talking to, so thank you so much, Tom, for being so patient with me, answering all my questions. Iron and Resin's customer service is next level, I gotta say. And originally I got a different size, and I had to ship it back and get a bigger size because it was a little bit tight, and the whole exchange process was flawless, super easy to use. So I gotta say, their customer service is awesome. This is a brand that you won't regret buying from. And like I said, if you do have any questions at all about sizing, about color, about fit, anything, just feel free to reach out to them. They're humans. They want to interact with you. They want to interact with the people that are buying their products as well. They're an awesome brand. So feel free to reach out to them. I've got the extra, extra large. I never get extra, extra large, all right? I'm like a large, sometimes with leather jackets, I'm an extra large, but Tom said this jacket fits a little slim, a little tight. I like my jackets to be a little bit bigger. I like to layer up sometimes, but let's go ahead and put this on and see the size. You guys ready? Let's go ahead. Oh yeah, okay. This feels so good. Very spacious, very warm. Gosh, and I gotta say, the leather on this jacket is not like any leather I've seen before. There's so much detail, so much characteristics. I love the grain. And the shearling on this, it's lamb shearling, so you know it's gonna be soft. They do have different colors on this. I got the dark tobacco. There is a brown color, and this jacket is a limited release. It's only for the fall of 2022. If you guys are looking for a B-3 lambskin shearling leather jacket, I would highly recommend you guys check in Iron and Resin. The fit is awesome. A good way to know whether a jacket fits you or not is to put your arms out wide like this and then cross them. See if there's any tension on the elbows. If it's too tight, you'll know. You could barely answer the phone or drink a cup of coffee, and then it's to cross your arms like that to see if the back is too tight or not. This fits perfectly, and I gotta say, I'm loving the fit. Oh my gosh, and there's a pocket. On the right side, there's a pocket. A lot of other jackets I've seen, they don't have inner pockets. So having this inside pocket is gonna be pretty cool. Let's see if we can put my phone in here. Whoo, perfect size, you see that? Definitely loving the inner pocket. On this side, it says Iron and Resin, designed in California. Why I was really drawn to Iron and Resin and their brand, right? First off, they're based in California. I'm in California. I love anything California. Number two, they make awesome products, really badass products, wax jackets, boots, leather jackets. I hear their wax jackets are pretty cool, so maybe there's gonna be an unboxing review coming up if you guys wanna see that. And lastly, they have awesome customer service, so what not to like. You guys might wanna know about sizing, right? I am 5'8", 185 pounds, maybe a little bit heavier since it's New Year's and Christmas. Still losing that holiday weight, right? So let's say 187, and I got the extra, extra large. I don't normally get extra, extra large. I was a little bit surprised, but like I said, I previously got a smaller size, and it was a little bit too tight on me. So right now, the extra, extra large fits me perfectly. So if you guys are looking for something that is nice and tight and tailored to you, I would say go true to size. However, if you are like me and like a little bit more room, that you are able to move a little bit more mobility, I would say go another size up. You're not gonna regret it. It's always better to go up a little bit than to go down where you can move and you feel uncomfortable. Wearing a leather jacket is supposed to be comfortable. You're supposed to wanna wear it. And this size, this jacket is one that I wanna wear. That's the sizing. I got extra, extra large, and I'm 5'8", 185 pounds. If you're looking for that one-piece jacket that's gonna keep you warm, that's stylish, that's not gonna go out of style every season, this is definitely one to consider. The outside leather is also very soft, which means there's no break-in period required. I hate wearing a leather jacket. When I first wear it, it's so stiff, I'm not able to move. And you have to wear it for 3 weeks, 4 weeks, just to break in, just to feel comfortable in that jacket. However, not with this jacket. Upon first wearing it right out of the box, you guys saw it, I feel so good. It's so comfortable. And that's what's so great about a lamb leather jacket. They use really high quality materials. You can tell from the outside leather, inside shearling. The talon zippers, really love the big hefty talon zippers, and I love the pull tab. And on the pull tab it says Iron and Resin. Love that detail. But let's go ahead and see what it's like on my body with the fit. You guys ready? Let's go. Hope you guys enjoyed that on-body look of the Irvin Jacket by Iron and Resin. Like I said, I am totally blown away by Iron and Resin. I've recently found their brand, and this jacket is awesome with the quality of materials they use. The lambskin is so soft, and I love the details and the characteristic that has on this jacket. And the biggest thing that I love about Iron and Resin is their customer service. Thank you, Tom, for answering all my questions. I hope I didn't bother you too much, but they're an awesome brand and they have a lot of cool stuff. So go check them out. And that's gonna be it for this unboxing. If you guys aren't subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Like I said, I wanna get to 10K this year. You guys can help me out. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, peace. Go ahead and check out some of my other leather jackets review right there, and one right there if you guys haven't seen it. These two leather jacket awesome videos, really cool. Go ahead and check it out, all right? Really cool videos. I'm being serious. Check it out right now, yeah? Subscribe, because I'm awesome. Bye. I'm joking.